Oh, interesting. I wasn't streaming this whole time. Well, here I am. I am trying to move off of this. I don't want to code in here, AI Studio, because it won't let me save files. It's not able to, for some reason, persist my data. Like I told it to save any of the system prompts. Like it also fucked up my whole thing because it tried to install Tailwind and totally messed it up. So that's why. Okay, so that's the problem is right now though. I cannot save persist data into a JSON database. Like it literally told me it can't create a database folder for me and start adding system prompts that I add because I mean an iframe it says. So I mean an iframe, the browser won't let you access the file system. So I'm like, well, what's the point in coding in here anymore? Let's just push it up to GitHub and then use a regular IDE. So that's what we're trying to do. So now I told it to revert, so we get this back to where it was because it messed it up. So I push this to GitHub using this. Why does it still say it reverted this, didn't it? I think it reverted it. It still kept it. Oh, God. Clean up. Did it clean up? Is it still going? Dude, you didn't clean up. You didn't clean up my files, man. Like you took it out, but you didn't clean it up. It did this before. It didn't like it did. It reverted something, and left the damn file empty. And I'm like, why didn't you delete this? You didn't clean up. Dude. Oops, I don't want to download it. So it should have gotten rid of the post CSS and should get rid of this. Why is this showing modified still? What's the package JSON? I didn't see a package JSON here anyways. Like, where'd it go? But it sees it. Why don't I see it? Oh, man. Dude. Is it not inside a folder, so where is it? I don't know. I don't know. This whole thing's just kind of fucked up. It's kind of weird. Because I can't see half the files it's saying it sees, and then like I mean I can't see package JSON at least, and then it's not cleaning up after yourself. It just left shit for me to clean up myself, I guess? How stupid is that? Told to revert, but then like it should have undone these files too. So it didn't do a full revert. It's stupid. Does index have anything reference to? It shouldn't have any references to Tailwind anywhere. So okay, I'm just double checking. So Tailwind should not be anywhere in here. It's still working. There's a lot of problems with this workflow, man. Like it's just. Not cleaning up after yourself. It's doing stuff like it gave me instructions on like, hey, here's how to run it if you want to run it in an IDE, and it's like, hey, you need to install Tailwind, but we didn't even use Tailwind. There wasn't even a config file yet, and it's telling me I had to use it. I'm like, what are you talking about? So it's like telling me stuff that like doesn't even exist. So just weird shit like that. So. What is this? Look at this. Please delete this manually. Why? What, it doesn't have access to it or something? Let's refresh this. Maybe it can't. Oh, that's weird. Here are the changes. So it didn't actually delete it still. It just, look at that. So is it not able to, are you not able to delete those files? To delete, I'm just curious because like, why is it doing this is my question. Tailwind just post cs config js and do I actually want to delete index? What's in here? Nothing. Why did you put it in an src folder? And everything else is in the root. That's weird. Index .css for me. Like what? Must not be able to. I don't know. It's weird. Okay, it was able to create these files initially. Why can't it delete them? I guess it only has read permission. Allow me to create, yeah, or update. Okay, so this is why we don't want to keep coding in here using this AI Studio thing. Like, it's fine to start something, have an idea, and you imagine something, and it creates an initial thing, but like, you don't want to stick around in here. So, that's something I learned. Okay, so we have to delete this stuff ourselves. So let's go over here. That's stupid. This is why I don't want to work in this. So delete. We don't need this. Delete. And we don't, and what was the other thing? Oh, we gotta save it. And then what now? Post CSS config. We don't need this. All right, so now let's post these changes up. This is the revert back to not using Tailwind because it fucked everything up. So, wait, actually, what's in here? Can I see the diff? What's in the? See, I don't know what's in the package JSON. I don't know what's changed because I can't see it in here in the file explorer. So how do I know? Like, I don't know. It's stupid. This is half-baked, basically. This is half-baked. This is half-baked stuff, man. All right, so index HTML. What's in here? Let's just double-check it. Oh, see, it's got Tailwind stuff in it still. Dude. Does it still look good? Yeah, it's not using Tailwind. Oh, wait. Hold on a second. Maybe... What? It is using Tailwind. I'm confused. I don't know. I am so confused right now. Like it said, it's not using the config, but it must be using, like... just basic stuff. It just needs the library, I guess, and no config is necessary, probably. So if I go back and look at the code, yeah, it's using Tailwind. So it does need the library. It actually is using Tailwind. Okay, so let's just commit this up. Let's say, I don't know. Let's do refactor, remove necessary shit, Tailwind, and post CSS files. Oh, nope, unnecessary. All right. I don't know. Let's just do this and then bring it down again. Try to run it. Can I add a new tab in here? Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. So let's do this. So it brings down this. And then, it's okay, now we got, what happens now? So if we do, still can't run this damn thing. So, let's try it now. Oh, there it goes. All right, this is what I wanted to get to. So that is the end of this Dimecast. I am happy to be out of that stupid AI studio and now back into here. Now the next question is, next stream is going to be, how do we talk to Gemini from here? So that will be the next one.